Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Today is Friday and we will continue to discuss euro currency. So, on the daily time frame, this is the daily chart. In fact, we do not see any really new price action. So yesterday we said that this is rather significant area of support. This weekly pivot support one. This is the 618 support, major 618 support from that low to that high. Also, that is the intraday target of this butterfly that we have discussed during the previous trading session. And we said that since this is some kind of strong support, probably market could show some respect to it. Well, will it be reversal to the upside or not? It's currently still impossible to say. Well, at least some retracement we could count on. So that has happened. Market yesterday has formed nice Jude Napoli double repo buy pattern, and we said that the minimum market should reach the 618 resistance, 38 resistance, 136.30 area. If it will be the double repo, and that was, then probably market could continue a bit further to the upside. The next area of resistance stands right here. That is the 50% of that thrusting bar, okay, approximately, and a bit wide, but still this is the confluence resistance on the daily time frame, 137.30, 137.70 areas approximately. This is 38 resistance from the whole swing to the downside, okay, and 618 resistance from that swing. Also, you can see that this is some kind of the classical area of support resistance. That was resistance, market break it, test it, okay, test it again, now break it to the downside, and probably could retest it from the downside, okay, to the same level. It's around 137. Well, that's all that in fact we could say on the daily picture. Trend is still bearish on the daily time frame. Well, market neither oversold nor overbought. Well, so in fact it could as continue move to the downside as to show some retracement continuation a bit further to the upside. Currently, Eurozone have got some relief by the appointment of the new Prime Minister of the Greece. Well, also it's a bit some calm down in the turmoil that now shocked Italy and Greece. So that's why market again has reacted on the Italy problems and the undecision about Prime Minister 2 days ago in Greece. Now, when the second problem has been resolved and no significant news from Italy, currently market stands again in some expectation position, some indecision, okay, and shows some retracement of the strong plunge that has happened 2 days ago. Now let's shift to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we see the trend is bullish currently. Well, you can see that market has shown retracement and reached this area of resistance, rate resistance from the nearest reaction points from that and from that highs, okay, rate resistance. But market doesn't continue move to the downside, it's just flirting with that area. So if we take into consideration that pattern A, B, C bottom, we can see that 618 extension stands right here on 136.55. It's right here. The 100% extension, it's 137.19, creates an agreement with the next 618 resistance. It stands between the 136.94, the thrusting bar, 618 resistance reaction, okay, and 37.28 from that high to that low, 618 resistance. If you will draw the Fibonacci levels from that high to that low, probably that level will coincide with the 618 resistance of that swing to the downside. Okay, so that is an area of next area of resistance. This is, by the way, also the lower border of this confluence resistance on the daily time frame. So that's potential next target if market will continue move to the upside. Also, you can see that some kind of previous support could also could act as resistance now. Okay, on the hourly time frame, we see that trend is also bullish. It's based on this red line. This is the MACD predictor indicator. This is derivative indicator from the simple MACD. When the price action is above it, then trend is bullish. When it's below it, the trend is bearish. Also, you can see that market has tested this area, tested the trend, okay, and returned fast back. This is some kind of stop grabber, but it's not the big deal currently. Well, that is the same pattern A, B, C. That on the 4-hour time frame you can see this level. Also, you can see that some kind of triangle consolidation that is usually, from the classical point of view, this is the continuation pattern. So you can see that triangle, okay, upper border, lower border. This could be the continuation to the upside. Now you can see that triangle has been broken. Market could retest that line from the upside and then continue move to the upside. Well, the second pattern that could be formed here and could be seen, this is the potential butterfly cell. This is the left wing of the butterfly, okay. This could be the right wing, okay. The target of this butterfly, the minimum target, is 127 extension, 136.81. It's right here. The second target, 1618 extension, stands in the same area of resistance around 137.17. So both of these areas could be reached. So if and when market will reach that area, watch for the sell signals. If you will not find any, then watch for the hitting of that 100% extension from that ABCD pattern and reaching of that area of resistance. So that is what I particularly will expect during today's trading session, because since market is flirting with that area of resistance and doesn't pull back and can continue move to the downside, then probably the market is ready to show some deeper retracement to the upside. Well, maybe it will even lead us to some short-term reversal on the daily time frame, but it's too early to talk about it yet. Well, so if you are bearish, then it's better to wait when the hourly and 4-hour time frame trend will shift bearish, because currently, as both of that trends stand on the bullish side, this tells us that probably market could show some deeper retracement to the upside. Well, so that reversal of the trend could happen by some patterns, but currently I do not see any bearish patterns as on the hourly time frame as on the 4-hour time frame. So if you are bearish, you better wait the shifting of the trend, and even better if it will be accompanied by some bearish pattern. One of these patterns could be the completing of that ABCD, or maybe it will be a completing of that butterfly cell. If you are bullish, well, probably you could try to trade these potential bullish patterns, this triangle or maybe even butterfly, but it's a bit difficult in terms of the target, since this target and even that target is rather close to the current market. Well, in your risk-reward ratio, you should be place your stop somewhere below this C point, will be a bit 1-to-1, so that's not very attractive, okay. But still, probably you could try to do that. Maybe you will post your stop loss somewhere below this bottom of this triangle. If market will show the failure breakout, then probably you will be wrong. So that choice is up to you. But in general, from the current market behavior, we can exclude that probably it could continue a bit further to the upside, to the somewhere around 137 area, since this is an area where some levels of the resistance and some targets stand. So that will be the next target if market will continue move to the upside. So that is our view on the current market. Well, wait for the clearer patterns before pull the trigger, and control your risk. Before they enter the market, well, wait for the good confirmation patterns, wait for the significant confidence, that you should have the significant confidence before they enter, because currently market is some choppy price action. This is rather retracement currently, at least at current moment. So we can't exclude that market will show some upward continuation, but later it could continue move to the downside, since the momentum to the downside by this strong bar on the daily time frame was really impressive.